So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect our exit power cables to our Neon Flex LED. So I've got a short length of our RGBW Neon Flex strip, and for this demonstration, I'm going to be connecting our end exit power cable. That's the one with the power lead coming off linear to the pins. Now, they can be a bit tricky to connect, and you do risk damaging the PCB inside, so it might be best to overall about a meter, play around with it, and get the hang of it before you install it. As always, with any installation, please test all the channels before you permanently install. So, a couple of things to note before we start. These exit power cables are designed to only fit on one way round. Now, if you take a look at the strip itself, this is the light channel at the top, and you can see that there's a slight curved end at the top of this. You can also see that same curved end on our plastic cap connector, plastic connector cap, and also on the exit power cable itself. So all three of these curved ends need to match up. Now, as well as that, when you do connect it, you also need to make sure that the pins go underneath the PCB, not on top. You've got this little plastic lip on the exit power cable, and that's to fit in the indent on the flex strip itself. Quick way to tell which end to connect it on. If you're looking at the strip with the light channel facing up, you'll have the Highline logo upside down facing you. You want to be connecting it to this left-hand side. Now, to do that, first of all, you take your plastic connector cap with a screw side facing out, because you're going to be screwing that to the exit cable itself. Just slot that on. As I said, curved ends both at the top. Now, next you're going to take your grip pieces. You can see they've got little lips on them there. Now they're going to be connecting into the exit power cable, so you want them facing out. So this, you want the teeth at the bottom of it at the bottom of the Neon Flex strip, not covering the light channel. So the first one can go there, and the next one underneath it. If you look from the bottom this side, you can see the teeth need to align. Once they have done, just slide over your plastic connector cap, and that's that bit done. So you can connect at this side. And next, you're going to take your exit power cable, and as I said, carefully make sure the pins align underneath the PCB. The indent's going to go into the lip, and push it together. It can be a bit hard to push together once you've gone, so make sure you go around the connector and all the bits inside. There's little bits that you can connect, just see this bit here. There you go. Now, before you screw it down, you're going to want to test this. So it's 24 volts. With the cables we've got here, black is going to be positive, and then we have our white channel, red channel, blue channel, blue's with the yellow, and the green. There you go. So now we know it's all working. You can screw that on. Screws will obviously go in the screw holes there, and then to make it fully IP68, apply your silicone inside those holes there, and the little hole on the side just there. And the same will apply with all the other all the other style exit cables that we have in stock. And that is how you connect our exit power cables to our RGBW Neon Flex.